Every year, on the 28th of January, we celebrate Data Protection Day, the anniversary of the Council of Europe's Convention 108 on the protection of personal data. The Convention was the first legally binding international instrument adopted in the field of data protection. On this occasion, we would like to outline the main priorities and challenges for data protection in the coming year, as seen from the EDPS.
Review of the Data Protection Framework.
Since 1995, when the European Data Protection Directive was adopted, our society has undergone fundamental changes. New technologies and globalization allow the exchange and processing of personal data on an unprecedented scale. To meet these challenges, the Commission has launched a comprehensive review of the EU Data Protection Framework. The reform strategy was set out in a communication published in November 2010. We fully support the issues identified and the main lines of action. But let me emphasize that there is no room for mistakes here. The challenges are huge. We therefore expect the Commission to seize this opportunity to come up with ambitious proposals to Parliament and the Council that reflect the ambitious goals proposed in the communication.
Monitoring and enforcing compliance.
Every day, personal information is processed by the EU administration. Examples include recruitment, staff appraisal, collection of health data for medical files, time management systems, and video surveillance. Although most of the personal information is used for good reasons without further consequence, there are risks. If this information is inaccurate, out of date, or disclosed to the wrong person, the damage caused might be quite serious. In 2011, we will step up our activities in relation to monitoring and ensuring compliance with the regulation. We adopted the policy paper on this approach last December. You can find it on our website. It should be noted that we will take a more robust approach with EU institutions and bodies, which demonstrate a clear lack of commitment and/or poor compliance records.
Stockholm Program.
The Stockholm Program is an ambitious initiative that defines the framework for the area of freedom, security and justice until 2014. It covers policy fields such as police and criminal law cooperation, asylum, immigration and visa policy. In this area, cooperation between law enforcement authorities relies heavily on the collection and exchange of personal data. Strong and effective protection of citizens' personal data is absolutely crucial. Let me insist on one aspect of the balance between law enforcement and data protection. Authorities should only collect information for specific purposes. They should not create enormous databases of personal data just in case personal information might be needed for combating crime.
EU Digital Agenda.
The Digital Agenda is an EU strategy which aims to boost the European digital economy. It covers a wide range of policies with a direct impact on citizens' daily lives, from high-speed internet to online content and e-services. The right to privacy and data protection must be upheld in this new digital environment. To minimize risks and secure users' trust, it is crucial to integrate data protection and privacy at a practical level from the very inception of new technologies. This need for privacy by design must be reflected in the EU data protection legal framework at different levels of law and policy making.
We hope that you too will follow this commitment, and we welcome your active input and feedback.
Thank you for watching.
And see you another time.